So the main purpose of the NFC reader po is to read the product name. Meron po tayong tinatawag dito na RFID chip. Makikita na agad din ng customer ko sa harap. Hi everyone, this is Rose from BitPOS. So I have received a lot of questions regarding with our NFC reader and our POS system setup. So I'm going to ask a few questions na laging tinatanong ng mga clients namin. One thing is, ano nga ba yung main purpose ng ating NFC reader? So the main purpose of the NFC reader po is to read the product name and price po right away without your cashier punching anything in the POS cashiering side. Paano natin yun gagawin? In our NFC or in our plates pala, for our food products po, meron po tayong tinatawag dito na RFID chip. Okay? So this is really nice for mabilisan like canteens, it could be school canteens or workplace canteens or hospital canteens. Maganda siya kasi bagay siya sa mga mabilisang transactions. And you can actually see, I have similar plates here and these similar plates can have the same RFID chip because they could have the same prices. So I have multiple varieties, depende po sa preference natin, ayan. So, iba't ibang RFID, basta kung parehas ng presyo, pwede po magkaparehas na agad ng RFID para during transaction side, paglagay ng customer dito, you don't need to select, eto, afritada, caldereta, adobo, no need for that one. So, we will eliminate that manual inputting process and directly the system will scan. So, paano gagawin nyo ng cashier? There is a button po, tinatawag siyang RFID reader, and you can actually see, tumutunog po siya, and na-scan yan yung 4 na code. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 products here. So once tinap natin yung control N, automatically, nilabas niya na yung 4 food product here. So I have food sample A, food sample B, food sample C, and food sample D, and then the total amount. Since this setup is also dual display, makikita na agad din ng customer ko sa harap kung magkano yung total na babayaran. So, very direct to the point, hindi ako nag-manually punch. So, once tendered, control enter, input the pera of the customer, enter na po iyan hanggang mag-print ang ating receipt printer po and magbukas ang ating drawer. So, in this sample po, I have 4 items here or 4 plates. Right away, we can do the transaction in less than a minute. So, yan po yung design ng ating RFID scanner. And if you have more questions on how this process works for fast-moving type of restaurant business, please do message us in our Facebook page and you may also book an online demo.